Give me 1 second. Yeah. In the last session, we were discussing about strategy, and in this session, we are going to kick off with strategic thinking and strategy as a means. So I would just share the PowerPoint. Give me 1 second. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So in the last session, I would just give 1 or 2 minutes to just give a quick recap to what had happened in the last session, and from there we would carry on to today's session, wherein we discussed in the last session the foundations of excellence. Then we discussed about strategy. If you the people who were there in the last session, we have seen about what is strategy, we have seen what is corporate versus business strategy, and then also we have seen about Coca-Cola's marketing we have seen one advertisement of Coca-Cola and Nike's success. So I hope everyone is there with me till the time what we have completed last time. You are aware of it, right? Everyone? Lakshmi, Roshan, Vaibhav. Last time ये सब cover हो गया था? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And after that,
Yes, ma'am.
we have also seen, uh, give me just a second. Yeah. So today what we would be doing, we would be starting with strategic thinking. So I'll share the PowerPoint here. Yes, we will start with strategic thinking, and I would request you to just start with me and follow the entire session. This is the most important part of the topic, wherein we need to learn what is strategies, what is strategic thinking, and how the strategy and strategic thinking goes together. In case if you feel somewhere that you have a doubt, you can stop me there at that point and we can carry on from there. Okay? Yes, Nikhil. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, good afternoon.
Yeah. So let me just kickstart the session and I'll share with you. कहीं पे भी आपको कुछ डाउट आता है तो आज का सेशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ध्यान से you just keep concentrating, have focus on the session, and wherever you feel there is a difficulty, you can stop me and ask the doubt. So here, yeah. So in the last session, I've told you that we have discussed about strategy. We have discussed about what is corporate versus business strategy. There is a small difference there. We did not bother about that right now. हम लोगों ने Coca-Cola marketing strategy check किया, and after that we have checked Nike's success. Today we are going to read one article. I will do one thing. I will just I will also copy paste this link in your chat section. So here it is. So this particular article will help you understand what is the meaning of thinking and how strategic thinking should be applied. What are the various ways of strategic thinking? So we should will straight away go ahead to it. Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon, Shashank. Fine. So here, I hope the slide is visible to everyone.
No, no, ma'am.
Now, is it visible?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Give it 1 second, it will open. Yeah. So, um, what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to read this article and then we will discuss it. So in the meanwhile, you also listen carefully what this article is all about. कहीं पे आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इस वर्ड का मीनिंग पता नहीं है या ये पर्टिकुलर चीज डिफिकल्ट है तो हम लोग उसको डिटेल में डिस्कस भी करेंगे. So here the importance of strategic thinking, I'll read from here. So why do we need to think strategically? Why this word strategy has come into place, you have already seen. So adopting a strategic mindset is essential for life sciences executives tasked with increased profits. So it is not only about any executive, but for everybody. Even if you are a small entrepreneur, even if you are a business person, you need to have a strategic thinking. So what is the reason? The reason is to remain competitive. The organizations must always have a strategic thinking. At the same time, you can also see that there is a change in the business environment. So I'm highlighting the word business environment. One second. I think uh, yeah. So here I'm highlighting the word business environment. So you can understand that whenever the environment changes, so there would be always a kind of a problem which could come to your business, and you should always be ready to think strategically. So what kind of changes the company should be ready to have? The change in the technology might come. For example, we have discussed about SBI as a company. So when the SBI has to totally change, जब उनके एम्प्लॉयज को ये कहा गया कि आपको टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज करनी है, so how did they adopt to the technology, and how did they adopt to the new computers in their system, which was replaced by the books and the big account books which they used to maintain? So that is one thing of a change. So you need to have a strategic thinking. Second, change could be the change in the economy. Now we all are aware that in these times of COVID, there is a change in the system, there is a change in the economy. Most of the economies have gone down. So for that reason also, the businesses should have a strategic thinking so that they should get out of this problem which a factor like economy has brought to you. Third is the consumer behavior. Now every businesses have got consumers whose behavior means how the consumer thinks, how the consumer uh, would like to have. Because in case if you as a customer go to McDonald's, and tomorrow if you go to Burger King and stop going to McDonald's one day, your behavior has to be analyzed and decoded by McDonald's as a company ki what happened to Chetan, what happened to Nikhil that they suddenly stopped coming to McDonald's, who were a very loyal customer. So the change in technology, the change in economy, the change in consumer behavior, you should always be updated. That's wherein the strategic thinking skills applied. Now, I would want to throw a small question to the forum that आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने ऐसी कंपनीज देखी हैं जहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हुई है, इकोनॉमी चेंज हुई है, तो क्विकली इन कंपनीज ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया है, एंड दैट कंपनीज हैव you can say responded in a very beautiful manner, जिसकी वजह से उनका बिजनेस काफी अच्छा चल गया. So can you give me any example, anybody? Any example? Just think for a minute कि इकोनॉमी चेंज हुई है या टेक्नोलॉजी के वजह से किसी ने अपना बिजनेस चेंज किया है. सो हाउ दिस पीपल मेड थिंक स्ट्रैटेजिकली, जिसकी वजह से इन चीज़ों का उन पे एडवर्स इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. वरना क्या होता है, काफ़ी बार टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेट होती है एंड पीपल फॉल डाउन, पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू कोप अप विद द टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेशन और उनका बिजनेस डाउन हो जाता है. So can you give me any example of the company around you that because even in the COVID times with the change in technology they have done very well? Any company, anybody knows? Lakshmi, Nikhil, Roshan, Shashank, Jyoti, Vaibhav, Sunil, sorry, Kunal. Yes, Nikhil.
मैम क्वेश्चन फिर से बताएंगे कि मैम थोड़ा आवाज मुझे.
ओके, क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको ऐसी कंपनी का नाम सोचना है जो आपने शायद देखा हो, जिन्होंने अपनी स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग की वजह से टेक्नोलॉजी के चेंज को पॉजिटिवली उनके बिजनेस पे एम्ब्रेस किया. जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी ने उनके बिजनेस, टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर एग्जांपल इन कोविड टाइम से टेक्नोलॉजी हैज कम टू एवरीबॉडी. सो हाउ दिस कंपनीज हैव यूज्ड टेक्नोलॉजी and made a good competition and they have stood above the competition. ऐसी कोई
Ma'am,
कंपनी पता है?
ये अभी ये जूम होगा, फिर ये जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल ऐप है, ये भी अब लॉकडाउन की वजह से ज्यादा प्रोसेस में आ गए ना, क्योंकि पहले ज्यादा यूज कर। हेलो।
ओके ओके, यस निखिल, यस निखिल।
हाँ, तो अब इनका यूज बढ़ गया है, इसलिए बाकी का जो म्हणजे एजुकेशन सेक्टर में काम करने वाले दूसरे ये थे, वो उसका कम हो गया ना अभी इसकी वजह से। हेलो।
ओके ओके, आपकी आवाज बीच में क्रैक हो रही थी। कुड यू प्लीज रिपीट द एग्जांपल अगेन इफ यू डोंट माइंड?
मैम आप जैसे किसी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म टीचिंग के लिए जूम, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट मीट ऐसे जैसे सभी ऐप आने लगे, तो
यस
उसके मतलब बाद में भी ये कंटिन्यू रह सकता है, क्योंकि ये घर में रहकर हमको सबको ऐसा फ्रीली हम बात कर सकते हैं, और ये इसलिए बाकी का जो अब कोविड-19 के बाद भी एजुकेशन के लिए इसका प्रेफरेंस देते रहेंगे लोग ना, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं।
exactly,
हेलो।
Nikhil, very nice example, very beautiful example. So definitely when the technology has come, it is a perfect example जहाँ पे situation change हुई, economy change हुई, टेक्नोलॉजी के यूज से टीचिंग एज अ प्रोफेशन, एजुकेशन एज अ प्रोफेशन हैज एम्ब्रेस्ड वेरियस प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो शायद पहले हम लोग नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में नहीं अडॉप्ट करते थे. वी हैव अडॉप्टेड जूम, वी हैव अडॉप्टेड वेबएक्स, वी हैव अडॉप्टेड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स, we have adopted various platforms which will enable us to give online lectures, right? It's such a wonderful technology, and the beauty of it is you can sit at your home, you can at your ease listen to the lectures, and it is very safe in terms of COVID, right? So very good example, Nikhil. Any other example anybody knows? Any other example? Lakshmi, Jyoti, come on, think for a second. Any other example? Kunal, Shashank, both the Sampadas. सोचो और कोई एग्जाम्पल है जहां पे टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज हुआ है, इकोनॉमी ने कभी कोई चीज आई है लेकिन उस कंपनी ने बहुत स्ट्रांगली परफॉर्म किया है. ऐसे कोई यस, एनी कंपनी विच यू नो विच इज वेरी बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग या बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग कंपनीज में गिनी जाती है, ऐसी कोई कंपनीज पता है? How many of you, especially I'll ask this question to boys. Okay. How many of you are aware of the brand Pulsar? Bajaj Pulsar?
Yes, yes,
Everyone is aware?
I-
So what was so great about Bajaj Pulsar that everybody at that point of time, you can say 5 years down the line or 7 years down the line, everybody was crazy towards this brand Pulsar. So what made you think कि पल्सर इतना अच्छा ब्रांड क्यों बन गया?
उनकी म्हणजे वो सर्विस क्वालिटी और जो स्पोर्ट्स बाइक है ना, वो भी अच्छे है सब, म्हणजे बाकी के स्पोर्ट्स बाइक से थोड़ा सा प्राइस भी कम है, और सब फैसिलिटी भी उनके अच्छे से पल्सर
Yes.
के।
Yes, Shashank, anything you would like to say on this? Kunal,
No, ma'am.
you are not aware of Pulsar bike?
No, I am aware, but then the point that Nikhil said is exactly what I was trying to like
Okay.
say.
Any other brand you are aware where it is doing extremely well in terms of consumer satisfaction?
Consumer satisfaction.
ऐसे कोई ब्रांड नेम पता है जिसके लिए कंज्यूमर्स बहुत खुश है किसी ब्रांड से?
मैम वैसे तो मारुति
Yes, why Maruti?
मैम because like they're affordable और एक वो होता है ना कि मैम ट्रस्ट इशू भी आता है इसमें. ट्रस्ट भी लो हुआ मतलब.
काफी ज्यादा करते हैं मारुति पे.
यस मैम.
क्यों करते हैं? एनी आइडिया? सोच के देखो. Why do people trust Maruti so much? आंसर आपके पास है, सोचोगे तो मिल जाएगा.
इसमें उनका सर्विस भी अच्छा है, और एक मिडिल मैन के लिए अपने बजट में एक अच्छे से अच्छे कार और बाकी का भी जो मेंटेनेंस वो सब कम खर्च में आ जाता है,
यस
इसलिए
मैम,
वो
मेंटेनेंस भी
मिडिल
कम है और फिर बजट फ्रेंडली है.
Yes, so very
ये
perfectly decoded, Shashank and Nikhil, very nice. Hats off. So this is a very good example why I'm trying to tell you that strategic thinking is very important, is because when you talk about a brand called as Maruti, now there are various brands which are very good than Maruti and which has got a brand status also. For example, in my first class I asked you, I think first or second class, I asked you a question which mentioned that which brand would you like to prefer, Maruti or a Mercedes. Now if I give you the a rider कि मेरे पास मर्सिडीज की सर्विस नहीं है लेकिन मारुति के मेरे पास 5 सर्विस स्टेशंस हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली what would somebody think? Somebody may go with a brand. Of course, everybody's choices are different. But when I see that the very essential component of a car, service, is not available, so wherein Maruti has taken over the customer's trust, very rightly said Shashank. मारुति के साथ कस्टमर्स का ट्रस्ट इसीलिए है बिकॉज मारुति के सर्विस स्टेशन आसानी से मिल जाते हैं, मारुति के स्पेयर पार्ट्स आसानी से मिल जाते हैं. बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट मर्सिडीज, यू टॉक अबाउट स्कोडा एज अ ब्रांड, you will struggle for 5 to 6 days because let's take an example of Skoda as a car. It's every part, even if the key is lost, it comes from Germany. So can you understand the problem that even though the brand is very good, but then मेरा अगर स्कोडा के कांच टूट जाता है या स्कोडा की की गुम जाती है, तो that key will come from Germany. It will take 5 days and it will come from a flight and it is very costly. So as a middleman, understand this thing that we are not living in America, we are living in India where most of the people जो हमारे statistics बताते हैं, it is not my opinion that most of the people come in the middle class segment, wherein Maruti as a brand is a very good for Indian roads. It is a very good for Indian middle class segment, and anybody can switch from a two wheeler to a Maruti car very easily. Very true. Agree Sampada? संपदा, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको मेरी बात ठीक लग रही है या आपको कुछ बोलना है? Or you want to add some point to it? Which place are you from, Sampada? Rahane?
Kopargaon.
Okay, so which cars are mostly driven there? Which cars you mostly see there? Which brand? कौन से ब्रांड की कार्स मोस्टली यूज होती है? कुछ भी आंसर हो सकता है, आप आंसर बोल सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. कौन सी ब्रांड की कार यूज होती है? मारुति यूज होती है, बोलेरो यूज होती है, इको कार यूज होती है, व्हाट इज यूज मोस्टली?
बोलेरो ही ज्यादा चलती है मैम इधर.
Yes, because when I see, even my father is from farming background, so when I see in my village where it used to happen, mostly people use heavy vehicles which are good for the village roads and not for the Pune roads, right? So the variety of cars which are used in villages would be totally different. And understand, जब मैं consumer behavior की बात करती हूँ, ये बहुत बड़ा term है, बहुत heavy term है. इन टर्म्स के इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर मेरे पास फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे क्लास में आज कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? वी हैव 11 स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, ओके, एंड आई वांट टू सेल अ कार. सो डू यू थिंक वैभव की सबके प्रेफरेंसेस सेम होंगे कार खरीदने के लिए? वैभव, आर यू देयर?
यस मैम.
ओके, सो सबके प्रेफरेंसेस सेम होंगे. अगर मैं एक कार लेके आऊं, मेरे पास एक ब्रांड नेम है, तो सबको एक ही कार पसंद आ जाएगी, इसकी गारंटी है?
नहीं मैम.
क्यों नहीं होगा?
सबका अलग अलग ओपिनियन होगा ना मैम.
यस, सबका ओपिनियन अलग होगा, सबका बिहेवियर अलग होगा, सबकी थिंकिंग अलग होगी. एट द सेम टाइम यू विल ऑल्सो सी कि हो सकता है वैभव के घर में ऑलरेडी सब लोग टोयोटा के फैन हैं, तो टोयोटा कार एक इम्प्रेशन होता है कि टोयोटा की कार काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से मैन्युफैक्चर होती है, 6 सिग्मा एक क्वालिटी मैकेनिज्म होता है, चेक होता है. तो वैभव के घर में अगर वैभव कार लेना चाहता है तो सब लोग बोलेंगे टोयोटा. Maybe Sampada, she would say ki because my car would also be utilized, so I would look something which would also suit village roads, right? If I talk about Jyoti, she would say ki nahi, in my opinion, I would like to go for, maybe her choice is different, so she wants to go for some a sporty look car. तो इसके कहने का मतलब ये है, the summary of all my talk is everybody's behavior is different and everybody is a different consumer. सो स्ट्रैटेजी थिंकिंग जब आप करते हो तो टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज द चेंज इन टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ आपने देखा आजकल हर चीज के एप्स आ गए हैं. You read a book, you get an app. You want to book something, you get an app. You have a Book My Show ka app, right? So you need not go to any movie theater to book a movie, right? So you need not stand in a long queue. But anybody who has seen how much a Book My Show charges to book the ticket online? Convenience fee कितना लेता है Book My Show? आपसे किसी ने देखा है कभी Book My Show से आप मूवी बुक किया है? Anybody? रोशन?
No, ma'am.
Shashank, have you booked Book My Show say any movie? Have you seen how much convenience fee they take?
Ma'am, I did not check the convenience fee. But
Roughly around 100 rupees they take a convenience fee.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the meaning of this is some people might be comfortable in standing in a row and some people might be comfortable in booking their apps, because tomorrow if you all would be working and if you want to take your future husbands and future wives to the movie, you would not like to waste your time standing in a row for 3 hours and then thinking कि अरे ticket तो मिली ही नहीं, right? Then possibly Jyoti would get angry and she would say okay एक ticket भी नहीं ला सकते. So what is the thing? The reason what I'm saying is with the changing times, the technology has enabled us so much, so beautifully that at a click of a second, आपकी ticket book हो जाएगी. Example, let's say Sukram wants to go with his entire family to the movie, and at the click of the second, he comes from the office, he books the tickets, and he is there in the theater. It is so easy, right? It is so comfortable, isn't it? Is it easy? Is it comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
So the thing is, when you talk about strategic thinking, तो ये सब चीजें कहाँ से आई? ये सब चीजें टेक्नोलॉजी के चेंज की वजह से आई, राइट? सो एक बुक माई शो का ऐप है, एक वेबसाइट है. अगर इंटरनेट नहीं होता तो एप्स नहीं होते. तो टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हुई, इंटरनेट आया, इंटरनेट की वजह से एप्स आई. उसकी वजह से कंपनीज ने अपना स्ट्रैटेजी लगाना स्टार्ट किया कि ओके, कस्टमर जो पूना में है काफी ऑलरेडी काम से थका हुआ आता है. अंडरस्टैंड द कंज्यूमर्स बिहेवियर ऑल्सो, अंडरस्टैंड द कंज्यूमर्स लाइफस्टाइल. 1 मिनट के लिए सोच के देखो कि पुणे के ट्रैफिक में हड़पसर से आप कहीं दूसरे कॉर्नर जा रहे हो जहाँ पे बहुत हैवी ट्रैफिक है, एंड देन इट इज अ सैटरडे इवनिंग एंड you want to enjoy your Saturday evening. So the companies like Book My Show has enabled that you did not need to come to our door. We will come to your mobile and you just click and pay. So online banking, right? Online banking, Book My Show apps, everything is available with your smartphone. So your life is made quite easy, isn't it? जो शायद 5 साल पहले 10 साल पहले नहीं था. अभी अगर ऑनलाइन मीटिंग एप्स नहीं होते, अगर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स नहीं होता, जूम मीटिंग नहीं होता, वेबएक्स ऐप नहीं होता, तो शायद हम लोगों को कोविड में हम लोग सेशंस नहीं ले पाते, राइट? इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो अंडरस्टैंड that with the change in the situation in the environment, जो कोविड जैसे सिचुएशन है इसको तो आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते, इट इज आउट ऑफ योर कंट्रोल. सो टेक्नोलॉजी हैज enabled us. एट द सेम टाइम जो एप्स हम आज यूज कर रहे हैं, ये ऐप सिर्फ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में यूज हुआ करते थे, जो अपने फॉरेन के कस्टमर से, फॉरेन के टीम से बात करने के लिए इन एप्स के थ्रू. Can you see slowly the consumers have also changed? तो अब जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कंपनी है उनके लिए एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस भी एक कंज्यूमर बन गए. तो उनको ये भी सोचना चाहिए कि एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स का क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो पहले माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स में, अभी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स में हमको अटेंडेंस लेना जरूरी है, तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स ने अटेंडेंस का सेशन लाया. मीटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग पहले भी होती थी, तो मीटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग वाज ऑलरेडी देयर. सो कहने का ये मतलब है कि जब आप स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग करते हो, अब आप ये सब चीज, सी दिस सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. जब आप किसी कंपनी में काम करोगे, इवन अगर आप खेती में काम करते हो तो कोई ना कोई स्ट्रैटेजी लगाते हो. अगर आप एमपीएससी को एग्जाम को क्रैक करना चाहते हो तो देयर इज अ स्ट्रैटेजी. you go on YouTube, you will find thousands of videos wherein people have cracked MPSC UPSC just with a small technique, and this technique is not anything but a strategy. तो स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग ये बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है, जो हम लोग अभी सिर्फ उसको एक बर्ड्स आई व्यू से देख रहे हैं, सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से पढ़ रहे हैं. जब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं तो हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में या फिर बड़े स्कूल्स में ये पूरा एक सब्जेक्ट, एक पूरा सिलेबस कोर्स होता है। जैसा आपका एम कॉमर्स का एक कोर्स है, ई कॉमर्स का एक कोर्स है, वैसा स्ट्रैटेजी भी एक अपने आप में एक सब्जेक्ट है। ओके, सो आर यू क्लियर टिल नाउ? आर यू देयर विथ मी? यहाँ तक सब समझ में आया एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's, yes, any question, anybody? Okay, so I assume if the questions are there, you can stop me there. So I will take you ahead, wherein what are the benefits of strategic thinking? So when you think strategically, you have an open-minded approach. तो मैंने कुछ दिन पहले आपको एक स्टोरी बताई थी कि if you want to kill the mosquitoes, or if you want to catch a rat, you're not going to make that cage of rat of gold and silver and stud it with diamonds, because ये कोई status symbol नहीं है. इसका काम इतना ही है कि it should catch the mice, it should catch the rat. Okay, so when you talk about open-minded approach, it should not blind you with the company's vision. So you should be open to think. So even in our personal lives, even in our normal lives, many a times we are so much claustrophobic. हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा narrow minded सोचते हैं कि हम लोग उस चीज़ के आगे सोच नहीं पाते. And the companies which think beyond the lines, exceptional companies, they are the ones who do exceptionally well. Okay, so you can think of a company like Apple. So many of the people dream of having an Apple iPhone. So this company of an Apple, they had an open-minded approach. They have given all their employees an approach wherein जहाँ वो खुद बैठ के अपनी design करते हैं. Google is also one of the companies which are the best companies to work with. Their employees have got so much of creativity कि they can sit anywhere, they can think of their creative ideas anywhere, any nook and corner of the company. They have very beautiful campus, and they can even think while cycling. They can even think while sitting at their lunch room or their any place. So they are open minded, they have open to all the solutions, they are open to all the creativity. So the next point here is constantly question. Now have you seen a small child? How many of you have a small means a small brother or sister? Maybe some of you might be living in joint families. Anybody has a small child of less than 5 years in their home, family, or their own small brother or sister, or in your vicinity? Have you seen a common behavior that they constantly question many things? Have you seen in your neighborhood? हो सकता है आपके घर में नहीं, आपके नेबर में हो. किसी छोटे बच्चे को ऑब्जर्व किया है कभी? They constantly question and they constantly ask you everything till the time they get their satisfaction result. And as the moment we grow old, sometimes these habits gets lost, right? Isn't it? This habit gets lost or not? Anvik Shah, you have
Yes,
joined
ma'am.
quite late. Okay, try to join your sessions maximum by 12:15, right? 12:30 you will join in half an hour, so you will not get anything out of the session. Okay, Anviksha, can you hear me? Anviksha? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying
Yes, ma'am.
join your sessions at not
Ma'am, actually, I'm
12:30.
really sorry. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I know. I'm really sorry. Actually, I was quite busy somewhere and I just forgot that time. Actually, I was remembering like till 11:30 that I have a lecture.
So don't
But
worry.
I just,
Next
I'm
time, please
sorry.
be on time. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I can bear a late of maximum 5 minutes, because then once I'm in the flow, you would not get anything of the session. Okay. So coming back to the point, we were talking about, we have seen the children constantly questioning and their habit of questioning. So which ultimately the habit of the child is that कि वो हर बार आपको क्वेश्चन करेगा, हर बार जब तक उसको satisfying आंसर नहीं मिलता है, they will keep questioning. Similar is the way of strategic thinking. So whenever there is a problem, the companies keep questioning the problem and then probably they get to the right solution. So somewhere when you don't get answers to the problems, you ask questions, and why, what, and how, when. So this all questions can answer you. For example, let me take a question. For example, if some company says ki why my shares are going down, why suddenly the sales of my company has gone down. So the first question is why. Then who are my competitors? Again a question. Then what the competitors have done well? Why my product is not going well? Is my strategy not working? Has my customer preferences changed? Have I not taken the customer's care quite enough? So these are the various questions which the companies can ask and keep questioning till the time they come to their right objective. So keep questioning, constantly question. Next is comprehension. So strategic thinking requires you to view a problem from multiple perspectives. So let's say that a car company is manufacturing a car and suddenly they have observed that the car company had a typical problem wherein they are not getting good customer feedbacks. So they will not only think from the manufacturing point, they will also think from the design point. They will also think from the services point. They will also go from the people who are there, you can say dealers. So are the dealers not doing well enough? Are the discounts not well enough? Is the place जहाँ पे हमारी कार कंपनी या कार का शोरूम है, is that not located in a proper place? So the thing is, even in our lives, whenever we are not getting questioned, do not get stuck at only one point. You have to think from multiple angles the things, that why the things have gone wrong. So in case if I as Amrita wanted to crack my let's say MBBS exam and I did not crack the exam, so I should think that was the exam very tough, did I not prepare well? So in case if I have not done well, can I go to my teachers and ask them? Can I go to my friends who have cracked the MBBS exams and ask them? So there is a multiple way of solving problems, similarly in the companies as well. So which is called as comprehension. So I'm writing this letter in your chat section, which is the word comprehension. So there are three things what we have done. First, what is the first strategic thinking step? Open-minded approach. Second is constantly question, and third is comprehension. So these are the three benefits of strategic thinking in your company. And in the strategic thinking process, the first you do an idea. So you come up with an idea. Then after getting the idea, how do you get an idea? You keep on brainstorming, you keep on thinking. For example, there are various ways to crack the exams. There are various ways, you can say, how you can become the best entrepreneur. आपको कुछ खुद का business open करना है, तो there are various ways. So you can constantly think. Like for example, Anviksha may think that what business should I be in, and what could be the best business to do. So she would always constantly think and get a lot of ideas. So she is brainstorming. She is getting into a habit of thinking and thinking many a times, so that she gets a lot of ideas. And from that idea, a funnel approach will come. Funnel देखा है? Wherein we use normally that funnel approach, wherein then you try to see which ideas work best. So you might have 10 ideas. You all, for example, 12 people are a team. You get good ideas, and after having good ideas, you can see that which ideas work the best. So Shashank may have a different idea. If you all think of opening a company tomorrow, Sampada may have a different idea, Jyoti may have a different idea. And finally, you all sit together and try to see that which ideas are really worthwhile working on. So this is called as ideation. And after ideation, you do something called as strategic planning. Now, strategic planning there is a word called as, I will tell you from here. these are two words which I'll write in your chat window. In case if you want, you can note it down in your books. You can note it down somewhere in your notepad, in your mobile, wherever you want. So you have SWOT is one word, and the next word is pestle. Remember these words carefully. You might have these words as a full form. You might have a question on these words, which will come in your exams also, and which would be very important in your day-to-day life working. Whenever you will go in a company, also these words would be important. Now, what is the meaning of the word SWOT? So, when you talk about SWOT, the first word is strength. Sorry, I wrote it quite wrong. First word is strength. Next is weakness. Can you see the chat section, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next word is opportunities, and the last word is
Threats.
so. When you talk about anything, even आपके खुद के personality का भी आप SWOT analysis कर सकते हो कि शशांक as a person, Sukram as a person, what is the strength in my personality? What is the weakness in my personality? What are the opportunities which I can think of doing? And what are the threats right now in COVID situation? Which company should I apply? Which company should I not apply? There is an opportunity wherein there are so many courses on Upgrad. There are so many courses on Udemy which are just 350 rupees, 300 rupees. So can I take this as an opportunity and learn? Because right now the threat is the job market is not very open. Agree? So this is the same case of SWOT analysis which the companies do, wherein they analyze their strengths, they analyze their weaknesses, opportunities and threats. Now coming to the next one. Anybody knows what is the full form of pestle? Anybody knows what is the full form of pestle? Yes or no? Anything? Any answer? If you know, you can say yes. If you don't know, you can say no.
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So when you think about pestle, these are 6 very important factors which a company or which the company should take care before they enter into any market. Whether they enter into their home market, मतलब इंडिया में ही कंपनी खोलनी है तब भी, इंडिया से दूसरे स्टेट में कंपनी खोलनी है तब भी, और इंडिया से बाहर कंपनीज एंटर करेगी तब भी. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग द 6 फैक्टर्स. You can just note it down. The first one is, what is the first one? Can you read? Can you read the first one? Kunal?
Political.
The first one is political. Yes. What is the second one? Sampada Sangde. Sampada, are you there?
Economical. Sangade nahi ma'am, Rahane.
Yes, I can see the window popping up that it is Sampada Rahane. I think Sampada Sangde is not there. Sampada, can you hear me? Okay, fine. Chetan, what is the third one?
Sociological, ma'am.
It is not sociological. Read properly. It is written over here. It is written in the chat section. You just have to read from there.
Culture.
Socio-cultural. Okay. Now, these are the 6 things which I want you to understand and write it down in your notebooks or a piece of paper if you have. Okay. So, when you do a SWOT analysis and when you do a pestle analysis, so these are the 2 tools of analysis which the company should have before they enter into a market. So SWOT analysis, I've already told that the company should analyze their strength, weakness, opportunity and threats in the market. So when you talk about pestle analysis, the company should check the political environment of a country. The company should check the economical, second one, P for political. Okay? Is that clear? Nikhil, what is E? E for? Check the chat section. Check the chat section quickly. What is E? E for?
Economical.
Yes, economical. So economical का मतलब क्या हुआ कि कम हमारे देश की इकोनॉमी कैसी है या हम जिस देश में बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर कंट्री की इकोनॉमी कैसी है. तो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक कि जब इकोनॉमी डाउन है नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं आसानी से? कर सकते हैं निखिल?
हाँ, यस मैम.
या नहीं करना चाहिए, रुक जाना चाहिए टिल द टाइम द इकोनॉमी गेट्स बेटर?
नहीं, बेटर में ही करना चाहिए क्योंकि जब इकोनॉमी हमारी अच्छे से नहीं रहती तब हमको या लॉस होने का कंडीशन ज्यादा रहता है ना, क्योंकि
Yes,
सब
exactly.
एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट सभी पे इसका प्रभाव पड़ जाता है.
Perfect. Then the next is socio-cultural. Jyoti, are you there online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so socio-cultural का मतलब क्या हुआ? Can you give me any idea? Social का मतलब क्या होता है? So for example, which place are you from, Jyoti?
Islampur.
Okay, so the social and the cultural life of Islampur, is it different from Pune? जो इस्लाम
थोड़ा मैम, मतलब ये पुणे से थोड़ा छोटी सिटी है.
Yes. So even for the place which I belong to in Vidarbha, it is a small town as compared to Pune. So the way the society lives in Pune and the way the people live in my place in Nagpur or Chandrapur, so that is entirely different, right? So you can see that there is a difference in the socio-cultural pattern. I cannot go and say to my mother that it is easy because in Pune everybody wears a trouser, so you also wear a trouser in a cultural function. So the socio-cultural factors in my place at my hometown is totally different क्योंकि लोगों के social रहने का तरीका अलग है, cultures अलग है. वैसे ही पूना में culture अलग है. Agree? Anviksha? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anviksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So is there a difference in the socio-cultural factor of Pune and the villages out there in India?
Yeah, definitely. It actually sometimes like culture matters a lot. Whenever you actually travel to a different places, you just face or see different cultures
Exactly.
and the language too. Like I have been coming from UP, like Uttar Pradesh, and I have and I have seen people like talking in Marathi. So that's again a culture thing comes, no?
Okay. So when you think if I market a good in UP and if I market a particular service in Pune and which is real, so I would be taking the socio-cultural factors into consideration. That is a very important aspect. So when a very good story about McDonald's, when McDonald's started their store in Pune, or you can also say India, they were a big failure because they did not understand the socio-cultural aspects of India. They cannot introduce beef as a burger, right? So it is also the religious sentiments, it is also the way the people live, it is also how the people want, what is the thinking, what is the belief of people. So in foreign country people can eat that, but then when McDonald's came to India, they have to change their style, they have to change it in the Indian pattern. You will not see paneer tikka vada pav or paneer tikka burger in foreign countries. It is specially Indianized. मतलब उन लोगों ने इंडिया के सोशल कल्चर को मैच करने के हिसाब से अपना टोटल स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज किया. अग्री? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. At the same time, um, how many of you have eaten Kellogg's cornflakes? Kellogg's cornflakes का नाम सुना है? कितने लोग ब्रेकफास्ट में खाते हैं Kellogg's cornflakes? Lakshmi?
Me.
Okay. Anviksha is one. The next
Oh,
one who
no.
eats Kellogg's
Shashank.
cornflakes? Shashank. The next one? Any other person? Okay. So I'll assume that Anviksha and Shashank are the two people who eat Kellogg cornflakes. Now you know what happened. What is the story behind Kellogg's cornflakes? Anybody knows what happened to them when they came to India? किसी को स्टोरी पता है Kellogg's cornflakes की क्या हुआ? They're a very good brand name, right? But then when they came to India, surprisingly they failed. The reason because normally what people have in their breakfast. Nikhil, what do you have in your breakfast? Quickly. Quickly, Nikhil. Sampada, what do you have in your breakfast? Means, what do we normally eat? We eat chapati, we eat idli, we eat dosa. So, everything is normally eaten hot. But then what? The reason why Kellogg's cornflakes failed is because they did not understand the socio-cultural pattern of India. Even if you go to north, you will find people eating hot chapatis and everything. If you go towards south, you will find people eating idli, dosa, which is also hot. Even if you come to west, people eat poha, uttapa, or whatever we all eat. The menu is all combined. So we eat all hot breakfast. But then please don't do this. Don't try to mute me. Okay? I don't like this behavior. Okay? So when you talk about any of these things like Kellogg's cornflakes, so it is eaten with hot milk and not, it is eaten with lukewarm milk, not with hot milk. So when Kellogg's cornflakes came to India, people started eating it with hot milk, and that's wherein the cornflakes got very soggy. Right, Shashank and Anviksha? Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you eat cornflakes with very hot boiling milk?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So you eat with slightly lukewarm or cold milk, right?
Ma'am, someone is removed from the meeting.
मैम
Yes.
रिमूव करता है कोई कोई तो रिमूव कर रहा है
Okay.
दो
See, I'll tell you one thing very frankly. You all are above 18. So please
मैम
don't.
मुझे कोई तो रिमूव कर रहा है मीटिंग से 4 बार हो गया अभी
Okay. So what we will do, I will directly raise this issue to your teacher. I'll raise it to Shamla ma'am, and she will take care of this. ठीक है?
मैम
तो
आपने अभी मुझे म्यूट किया क्या?
मैम मैम आप अटेंड कर दो ना फिर कोई नहीं कर सकता
मैम ये अटेंड कर दो मैम सभी रिमूव हो रहे हैं एक एक करके
मैम म्यूट कर रहे हैं मुझे.
give me a second. Okay, I believe now the problem will not come. Is that okay? I'll have a very small request. See, I believe कि आप लोग सब
क्या मैम थैंक यू
अभी नहीं होगा problem. ठीक है? Srinivas, what time did you join the meeting?
सॉरी मैम मेरा कनेक्ट ही नहीं हो रहा था, कवरेज का इशू था थोड़ा।
Okay, but then in case if you want to join the meeting, try to join from, आप 11:45 से join करो, मैंने 11:45 से session में login किया है, ठीक है? Okay, so coming to the point, let me tell you one brief thing. I believe that you already have been told and instructed, do not behave childish in the class. Let me be a teacher. I don't like to scold and I don't like to shout on people. So have discipline, behave as a disciplined people. So otherwise I will have to discipline you. Okay, so removing somebody from the meeting, muting somebody, this is not a student, you are not classroom students. Okay, तो जितने मैं आपसे अच्छे से बात कर रही हूँ, आप प्लीज मुझे डोंट प्रॉम्प्ट मी टू गेट एंग्री ऑन यू. ओके, आई बिलीव द क्लास शुड बी, वी आर ऑल अ टीम. It is not a teacher versus student. And the people who are not interested in doing that, जिनको क्लास में नहीं आना है, so you do one thing, you let me know I don't want to attend the class, but don't do this nasty things of removing people and making somebody mute, unmute. So you better don't come in the class. And I can easily find out, I'm a technology person, I will find it out who has done this. Okay, and then I'll raise the name directly to the HOD ma'am and Shamla ma'am. So you better don't do that again. Okay, the last but not the least, I don't want this to be repeated again. So you better don't come to the class, whoever has done this. I will find it out anyhow. Coming to the last one, the last point of the day which I wanted to make here is, हम लोग बात कर रहे थे strategic thinking की, and we were discussing about Kellogg's cornflakes. Okay, so here you need to understand that a company should need to try and check that what is my consumer behavior. When Kellogg's came, it did not understand the behavior of people in India, so they have to give proper instructions, and because of that their product become failure. Now you need to understand, जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो, सर्विस प्रोडक्ट परचेज करते हो, so you get a booklet along with that, that is called as an instruction booklet, and this instruction booklet gives you everything about how to use this product or a service. Okay, so with this I believe there is one more step, the last step which is there, which is called as operational planning. So with the help of strategic thinking, what you're doing, you do the operational planning and you actually try to see that whatever you have planned, whatever strategy you have thought of, जो भी आपने आपके market research से पता किया है, you will then implement every strategy in your operational floor. जैसे अगर आप कार बना रहे हो तो कार के डिजाइन के एक्चुअल इसमें डिजाइनर के साथ बात करके उस स्ट्रैटेजी को इनेबल करोगे. If you are talking about McDonald's as a brand, so what you will do, you will try to see that you as a person are taking care of the consumers as well as trying to improve the service of McDonald's. So these are the 3 steps. I have left this particular I can say, I will copy paste it once again so that the people who have joined recently, they can see that. So what you can do is, you can just follow this article, fraserdorf.com, and prepare your answers accordingly. If the question comes that how would you master strategic thinking, you cannot write exactly जो आर्टिकल में दिया है, आपको वो आर्टिकल को पढ़ना है, समझना है और उसके बाद आपके आंसर्स फ्रेम करने हैं. Is that okay, everyone?